Would you like to learn how to protect your Facebook account and stay safe online? I'm Emily from Online Help Guide, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to hide your profile on Facebook. Let's get started. First, open Facebook. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. Go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on How People Find and Contact You. Ensure the maximum control by setting all options to the most limited level as possible. And that's it. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.